Hello everyone, my name is Venkatesh and welcome to SolidWorks tutorial and SolidWorks lessons. This is about lines and their angles, how to draw a line with an angle. Do you get the point? Okay, let's select a plane, go to tree, here are planes, or else you can click here, this will come, here are planes. So I'm selecting the plane. As always, go for lines, or this is called as axes. X-axis. I did a mistake. What is that? I didn't select infinite line, so go for line, central line, select infinite and do the same. X-axis, y-axis. Okay, you want to draw a line with an angle, so let us assume this is what I want to draw. Here this is perfectly 90 degrees, right? Okay, I want to draw another line which intersects here. What happened? This is a curve. I'll show other thing that comes when we are going to do that lines, right? Curves. For now, let us go with lines. What I'm doing, I'm drawing it. Okay, press escape. Now go for small dimensions. Okay, define these first. Let us assume it is 80 near it. This is 60. Okay, let us assume this is 62. You can mirror it, but basically I'm just naming them not to waste time. Okay, how can we give angles? Select an angle, select line to which you have to give an angle, but angle should have a reference point, right? This line and this line will get an angle. See, 145. Enter. This is 145. Remember my point? Okay, now we can also do this one and this one. See here, this is an external angle, this is an internal angle. Say 55. Okay, I gave too many dimensions over there. What is the problem? Yeah, see, I'll show you over here. This is critical one, so when you get this problem you'll get confused. Why I'm not getting an angle over there? Because this is a problem. This is a constraint. Yeah, I'll get to constraints afterwards, but this is a constraint which is saying that this particular line and this particular line are right angle to each other. So select this constraint and delete it. Select it and delete it. See, perpendicular, delete. Okay, did you get my point? I deleted constraint which is presented in them. Okay, now let's go to same again, small dimensions, this one and this line. What do we want? We want 45 degrees. Okay, everything is set. What is the missing point? Why it is not blue in color? Let's see. Grab your press escape for everything and do this. This is not moving, this is constraint, this is moving. Okay, you get my point? Everywhere you go it is 45 degrees, so it can move everywhere. So what you can do is 60. Let us assume this 2 or 60, so 120, right? I'm giving a length between this one and this one, which is 120. What happened? If you give 120, it is saying that the angle this here and here, it cannot be 45, so I have to give more than 120. So let me delete this first. Delete it. Okay, what we can do? I have to constrain the shit. Okay, let's take it here. Smart dimensions from here to here. What is that? 80.53. So let's go for 100 over there. What if I give 100? 45. This doesn't look nice. Does it look nice? This is 145. Yeah, the mistake I did is this should not be 145, this should be 135, so that it is 90 degrees to each other. Yeah, now we can give, I think, 60 degrees. 60 over here. Let's see, can it happen? 16. Yeah, it can happen. Okay, now this is how you draw. You can mirror it now. I'll show you again how to mirror. Select mirror, select entities. These are all the entities I want to mirror. Okay, and this one too as well. Okay, mirror about from where? From here. Click OK. This is a mirror plane. You want this mirrored one. Okay, done. Let me teach you what other things I can teach you. You got mirror, yeah, multiple mirrors. I'll show you afterwards how to do. This is multi-layered mirror. This is offset. I'll also show you this. Offset is select this one. See, offset whole area you got. Did you get my point? I got to take that too. You can also offset a line. Take a line from here to here. I will explain detail afterwards, but just pause it now. This side or this side, which side you want? Bi-direction, two directions, or in one direction. Offset geometry. Yeah, geometry means this whole thing will be selected. Did you get my point? Okay. Add dimensions both sides, or else you can reverse it. This is done. This is how you can do it. I offset it by 10 centimeters, and if we increase this length, it should also increase, right? Okay, the offset is not equal to each other. They are not equal to each other. So I'll explain to you after a few classes. This is not important right now. Okay, what did you learn? You learn how to draw a line with an angle. There's this one which will center the figure. I'll show you how. Okay, you learned by drawing a line and another. You can give the angle between them by selecting both lines while holding a smart dimensions. This is, I'll go with 90. You can also do this one and this one, which is 90. Before it wasn't straight, now it is straight. Thank you.